Now let's look at the relationship between marginal product of labor and marginal cost in a graph and with a couple of equations. The marginal product of labor is how much more quantity you get when you increase your labor by 1, which can be represented by this equation. Now, we wanted to graph that. It will be output as a function of labor. And if we graph that, as we said before, in the case when you're studying for an exam, we're going to get a curve like that, which is increasing at a decreasing rate. And the slope of this curve is, in fact, this equation, the marginal product of labor. Now it's diminishing because it's increasing at decreasing rate. Now let's say we take this Q, which is in the vertical axis here, and we put it down here, and we take this L, which is in the horizontal axis here, we multiply it by a fixed cost, let's say the wage, and we put it right here. This will be cost. Well, since we have taken the vertical axis and put it in the horizontal axis and the horizontal axis and put it in the vertical axis, essentially this curve is going to be a mirror image of the other curve. It's going to increase at an increasing rate. And the slope of this curve is called marginal cost. And what it tells you is how much the total cost change as you change your output by 1. Now, in the short run, since the output is only changing because of the variable input, this equation really becomes the change in total cost over the change over the marginal product of labor. So I think if you look at the equation or you look at the graph, what you have here is a situation in which the marginal cost for the company in the short run is going to continue to increase at an increasing rate because of the diminishing margin returns to labor.